Hey, let me show you all charging methods for the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And first of all, you can actually charge them by connecting the cable inside your phone and then plug it into your charging case. And now when the indicator lights up, it means that you can actually recharge them by using your smartphone. But also you can recharge them by using your smartphone when you put them on the back of your phone if your smartphone supports the reverse wireless charging. In my case, it's actually not support, but they actually support the wireless charging. So right now I'm gonna plug it and I'm gonna show you that it works, and the indicator will light up in a few moments. Take a look. Maybe I'm gonna put it right here. There we go. So this is another method to charge them. Also, you can use the charging brick. I'm using actually the charging brick from my old Huawei phone. There's like 5 years old power adapter and it works fine with my Buds 3 Pro. And also, as you know, the cable that actually comes with the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is actually double USB side, but I'm using also the cable from my old Huawei phone, the USB-C to the USB-A, and it also charge my Buds. So what I mean, you don't have to buy original Samsung adapter, you don't have to use or buy the original Samsung cable if you lost the current that actually comes in the box. You can use any other cable, any other charging brick, and also this kind of the cheap wireless charger. I get it for like $1 or $2 from the Amazon and it works fine. So this is it for this video, the quick information for you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.